Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of Discord. We go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, here in this sign or in this page, you will search about Discord app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.